need to go get those birds. Look at all those crows. Look at that. What the hell, Minnie? This voice is like birds or something from Alfred Hitchcock. Wow. This place is really funny for birds. Well, it's nice countryside, but look at these birds. Wow, man, look at the crows. You think they'd be following that lady with a bag. I wonder if she's throwing them food. Come on, let's go for the birds. Whoa, look, they're taking off. Yeah. They're following the lady, look. Come on. What on earth? I don't know if she was feeding them, but it's something to do with that lady. I was filming it. Because they seem to be following that lady, look.
Yeah.
I'm sure she must have, because look, they know, look at them. I've never seen these like Alfred Hitchcock. The birds. Do you remember that film? Oh no. And we have a lovely walk. That is so weird. Yeah, definitely after that lady. She must be the crow woman from Sheepiness. Well, look at that lot. Look at them. Good grief. Oh, Millie. No, Millie. Millie, this way. Let's go big walkies. Heel. Millie, this way. Millie, come on. This way. Millie, this way. Look, come on. Come on. You soppy dog. Look at you run. Oh, look. Now we've got all the crows again. Come on in. Holy shit. These crows are freaky. Bloody hell. Shit on me and I'll fucking find a bloody stone. Look at them. They don't care. Good girl, come on, man. I don't know. They seem to be following you. Oh, I was filming it because I thought, what is going on? Oh, they love you, look. They know you. Where'd you feed them? Round here or?
Well, as soon as we come out the car park, they just follow me round.
Oh.
Yes.
I wonder why they gather around here. It's all because of you. Now I know.
Yeah.
Oh, bless.
Yeah, they do like me.
Yeah. Well, I suppose they get to know you. They're very intelligent, actually.
They
They are one of the most intelligent.
People.
Yeah, they do.
Individual people.
Yeah, and dogs.
So
Yeah.
So they recognise it. Regardless of what you wear,
Yeah.
clothes-wise, they recognise individual people.
Yes, they
They're
do.
one of the few birds that've got that ability.
Do you know, I'm recording this, so that's going to be brilliant on this.
Yeah, it is.
Thank you for that.
They
A little
do.
fun, a little Wikipedia fact as we go along. It's unusual for me for a walk.
Birds
But
do that. They don't. They might recognise.
no, well,
leader,
parrots are pretty good.
Yes.
Yeah,
but they
live for hundreds of
individual
years.
People.
yeah,
Yeah. And
No,
that's
no.
who they follow. They know
Yeah.
that they get fed.
yeah.
Follow that bird.
And I think it's jackdaws as well. They're really good at
Yeah.
mimicking.
And also, like these ones, they can drop nuts to break
Oh
nuts.
right, okay.
They're
So
clever, very clever.
yeah.
They can get in a bin.
They're
Found
using
a way
tools
of getting all the
now,
seeds
yeah.
They've tried to smoke.
Hey,
So,
she wants to, yeah.
nuts to break the shell. They've
Uh-huh.
learned a lot of things, these crows. They're very,
Wow.
very clever species.
Oh, it's brilliant meeting you. You made my day. Oh, I can turn this video off now as well.